Robert Kyagulanyi aka Bobi Wine ayagalizza Muwaalawe Shalom birthday n'obubaka obw'enjawulo. If it is your first time on Uganda Mukamooli, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Just click subscribe so that every time we upload a video, you get a little pum on your phone. And if you like this video, remember, you can give a thumbs up and leave a comment. Oh, it will mean so much to us if you do so. Bobi Wine and wife Barbara Itungo Kyagulanyi are blessed with 4 beautiful angels. Nga muno mulimu abalenzi babiri, bwe kityo n'abawala babiri. Abaana baabwe bonna buli omu alinako erinnya ery'ekibuga ky'ensi okusinziira ku kusiima kwabwe bwe baali nga babatuuma amannya. Solomon Kampala Nyanzi ye mulenzi omukulu, call him the firstborn, followed by Shalom Namagembe Nairobi, then Shadrach Shirinji Mbogo, making Subi Sunshine Nakai the lastborn. Oyo gwe musinga okwagala ku social media. Yagiyugumya ku birthday ye. Kataji kube wali agirekemu bibiri esigale ng'eri ku ttaka. Amazalibwa amalungi ku kifaananyi kye yatadde ku mutimbagano gwe gumugatta bantu ogwa Facebook nga babadde banekaanekanye ye ne Shalom, followed by a message from him to the first daughter ng'abangi be mwamuyise mu comments. The post read, "Dear Shalom, thank you for being such an amazing daughter. Happy 13th birthday, and may you grow up to live in a free Uganda. I love you so much." Ha! Birthday wishes zao neziika. Mu comments anti from Libya, from Nigeria, ne Saloko.